Looking for how to fix call ended problem on Android phone. In this video I show you how to fix call ended problem on Android phone. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps or application management, click on app list. Now find out phone app, click on phone app, click on storage, click on clear data, click on OK. Now click on 2 dot or 3 dot menu, click on show system app. Now find out phone service, click on phone service, click on storage, click on clear data. Now search call management, click on call management, click on storage, click on clear data, click on OK. Now search on settings, reset settings, click on reset settings, reset network settings first, enter your password, reset network settings, then click on reset system settings only. Now I hope that this method fix call ended problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Thomas Guide.